You know that colleague who always gets their way in meetings? Or that politician who seems to control every conversation? There's a brilliant word that captures exactly what they're doing. They're wielding their power. To wield means to use something effectively and skillfully, like a tool or influence. Think of it as using something with real purpose and expertise. In business, we see this everywhere. A CEO might wield their authority to make tough decisions during a crisis. A marketing manager could wield customer data to convince the board to invest in new campaigns. Even a team leader wields their experience to guide tricky projects to success. In the news, it's just as common. Politicians wield their influence to push through important legislation. Environmental activists wield social media platforms to create global awareness. Tech billionaires wield their wealth to shape entire industries. The key difference? Wielding isn't just using something, it's using it with skill, strategy, and real impact. Right? Let's test your understanding. I'll give you a scenario. The experienced negotiator will her charm and knowledge to close this difficult deal. What verb fits perfectly here? Exactly, wield. She's using her skills strategically and effectively. Brilliant work today. You've just added a powerful verb to your English toolkit. Next week, we'll explore another sophisticated word that'll make your business English sound absolutely professional. Until then, keep practicing.